Okay, here's the second part of the sidewalk. I used the back end of the hammer to dig a trench underneath this part of the sidewalk, and they're in slabs. I did the same thing over here. Just dug it out with the back end of the hammer, the claw portion, and then I did the same thing over here, and right there I did. And now the shovel, which it's been broken, but it still works because it's just like a look. See, look at this. See that? Now I just gotta use brute strength, and I can't be holding the video camera when I do this, so it's gonna be a good time. Okay, bug out here. Tired of a sidewalk and you want to get rid of it, but you don't have the power tools. Well, here's a shovel that's broke. It was already broke, and a hammer. Shovel and a hammer is what I've used. There's some rusted rotors. Shovel and a hammer. And all I did was dig around it and under it as far as I could, using the back of the hammer and the front of the hammer. And now you just got to use brute force to move it. It's really heavy. I'm still here. I'm just on Mad Human Pizza, making how-to car repairs, and that's how I do it. Yeah. Alright, that's the progress. Use your glove. Ah! Ah! Ow, that was my hand. Shut up, car. Oh, jeez. Nice neighbors are awesome, but whenever the nosy neighbors are watching you, that's when you gotta, when you're working, point your ass towards them, make sure your butt crack's showing, and well, I don't go that far, but you just want to towards them. You know what I'm saying? And what you, am I putting on a good show? All right, one slab, two slab. We're making way for a driveway. Yeah. Got the gravel there. Some gravel. Yeah, look at that shovel. Look at that hammer. Look at those gloves. My teeth. Ah, ants. Look at them. They're like, my babies. They're like, our babies. We must gather our troops. We must make it up this hill. We are ants. We got babies. We must make it up this mountain. Can we do it? Our home is gone. Our sidewalk home is almost gone. Almost gone.